Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can make YouTube intros just like this, and you can make this kind of intros for free. And I'm going to show you a very best website to make YouTube intros. So this is just a single video from this website, and you can select your own YouTube intro and you can edit it according to your requirements. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. I'll put a link in the description. You have to go to that link and you will be directed to this website. Okay, so first of all you have to create an account here. So you will have to just click on this free account, and after that just enter your email address. So this is the official website of Placeit, and here you can not only make YouTube intros, but you can also make YouTube banners, and you can also edit your YouTube logos. Okay, so most of the features of Placeit is not free, but in today's video I will show you how you can make the YouTube intro for free. So for doing so, you have to go to these videos and you have to click on these intros and slideshows. After that just select intros. Now from here just select YouTube. So these are all the YouTube intros in the Placeit. Okay, so you can select any of these intros you want, but all of these intros are not free. So here you can see most of the intros are in paid version. So the free ones are just shown by this free tag. Okay, so you have to find these free tag videos and you can just edit your own YouTube intros just like that. So it's difficult to find the free YouTube intros from the 1000 plus YouTube intros. So let me share you a trick. First of all, you have to sign out of your account. Okay, and after that just open the Placeit website in the Chrome browser, and here just go again to this intros and outros, and here you have got the filter of free. Okay, so just select this filter. So we have got all the free YouTube intros here, so you can select any of these YouTube intros. So let's say that I will select this one, so I will click here. So let's quickly edit this YouTube intro. And if you want to change the font of your text, then you can do it from here. Okay, so it's up to you. For now I will just keep it, and after that you can just add your logo from here. So I will just quickly add my logo. After that, if you want to change the music used in this video, then you can just do it from here. First you have to listen the music, and so this is it. If you want to just replace this music, then you have to go to this replace, and you can replace the music from here. Okay, so you can simply listen from here, and if you like this music, then you can just select this music by clicking on this option. Okay, so I will keep this music as it is. So before extracting our video, we have to click on this update slide. It will take a couple of minutes and our video will be completed. Okay, and one more thing, here you can see that our YouTube intro is of 10 seconds. So if you want to change the length, then you can do it from here. So you can just simply set the playback speed, and you can increase or decrease the length of the video. Okay, so before downloading this video, you have to click on this play all slides. So in the final step, you can just simply download this video with no watermark, or you can simply subscribe to any of these plans. Okay, so this is the monthly plan. It is only costing you $14 per month, and believe me guys, this is very cheap rate, as most of the websites are charging too much money. So here if you just upgrade to their plan, then you can not only make the YouTube intros, but you can also make YouTube banners, and you can also set your YouTube logo, and you can also design different things for your other social media like Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so you can just check the prices and you can simply upgrade your plan. So as this is only costing you $14.9 per month, and this is their annual plan. Okay, so it's up to you. I'm not forcing you to upgrade your plan. So if you want to upgrade, then you have to log into your account, and you can pay with both PayPal or your Visa or MasterCard. Okay, so here we will just simply download our video. So I will click on this free download, and to download this video you have to log into your account. Okay, so I will simply log into my account. So after the sign in, here you can see that my video is processing here. Okay, so once the video processing will be finished, then you can simply download it from here. Okay, so the video is processed, so you have to click on this download, and this video will be downloaded in your laptop or PC. Okay, so this is it. You can just simply go to this. So here you can see that this is our YouTube intro, and we have got it for free without any watermark. Okay, so this is it. I have also made a lot of videos for new YouTubers. So if you are new to this channel, then you can go to this playlist and you can find the YouTube for beginners playlist from here, and you can just watch my other tutorials to know more about YouTube. Okay, so this is it. I hope you have found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.